Hi and welcome to a new video. Are the volume buttons on your iPhone not working? In this video, I will show you some easy ways to fix this issue and get your buttons to work again. Let's go. First, make sure the silent mode button is disabled. If you're using a protective case on your device, remove it. It could be what's blocking the switch. If it doesn't, try restarting your device as it might just do the trick for you. This approach is very simple, but it frequently fixes any minor software glitches on your iPhone. For iPhone 8 or newer models, quickly press and release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button and release it when the Apple logo appears. If you're using an older iPhone model, you can refer at the tag in the top right corner or find the link to the Apple support page in the description below to know how to force restart your device properly. If none of the previous troubleshooting steps fix the problem, what you can do next is check your phone's sound settings. First, launch the Settings app and go to Sound and Haptics. From there, make sure that the Change with Buttons toggle button is turned off. If you enable Change with Buttons, the ringtone volume will also be included, and normally this is not wanted. If this also didn't help, you can simply use alternative ways to adjust the volume of your iPhone. First, you can navigate it through the Control Center. You can also command Siri to do it for you. Hey Siri, turn up the volume.
Okay, media will play louder.
Lastly, you can enable your iPhone's back tap feature. You can set 2 taps to increase the volume and 3 taps to decrease it. To do this, launch Settings. Go to Accessibility. Choose Touch. Scroll down, then select Back Tap. Click Double Tap and choose Volume Up. Go back and click Triple Tap and select Volume Down. All these alternatives should work when the buttons are the problem. If you wish to get them repaired, you can visit the Apple support website to consult them through call or chat. Select your device and navigate through the page to select the concern you want them to address. You can also directly bring your device to an Apple service provider. If you are within the warranty, they will repair it for free. If not, it probably costs more than the used iPhone. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.